Hey guys, I'm Derek Sarno and I am working with Tesco to create some amazing new plant-based recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make some wicked mushroom tacos. First I'm going to cut the onions super thin, put them in a nice bowl of cold water, helps crisp them up. Take the mushrooms, cut off the bottom so they sit evenly on the pan. We're going to heat the frying pan on medium heat and add a little bit of oil when it's hot. And we're going to be using cast iron pans. And if you don't have cast iron pans, you can use any heavy frying pan that you have. We're going to add the mushrooms bottom side down to the hot pan. So take another pan and we put it on top of the mushroom to create some pressure. So roughly 2 to 3 minutes on each side, pressing. Flip them. Press them again. Just going to remove the top pan. And then we're going to season a little bit of smoked paprika and the cumin. Black pepper. Always have the seasoning on the bottom side. After we season them, we're going to press them on both sides again. While the mushrooms are cooking, we're going to put together our marinade. You're going to take 250 milliliters of the Texas BBQ sauce and mix it with 150 milliliters of your favorite vegan beer. Then we're going to whisk that together really well. They're looking good. Mushrooms are done. We're going to put them directly in the marinade. And we're going to set that aside to finish the rest of the prep. We're going to do a bit of an avocado smash. Squeeze out the avocado. These ones are super ripe, so if the avocados aren't as ripe, just use a spoon to scoop them out. Add a little bit of lime. One of my favorite things, spicy chilies. Add these right to the avocado. Simply mash it. Iceberg lettuce. So the mushrooms have been marinating for about 15 to 20 minutes and now it's time to heat them up again. Medium-high heat, should take about 2 minutes to cook them. So remove the mushroom, put them onto the cutting board, let them rest for a couple minutes just to cool enough so they're easy to slice. Thin strips. So I like to keep my tacos in a clean towel so they don't dry out. And how I'm going to heat them today is right on the stovetop. Just quick sear on the pan for a couple seconds each side, and now we're ready to build our tacos. Start with a little bit of avocado. A little bit of lettuce. A few onions. This is really gorgeous right here. This is what it's all about. I like to add a few of the jalapeños. A little bit of chillies. Coriander, right there. So there you have it, wicked mushroom tacos. And for more amazing plant-based recipes, go to tesco.com/realfood.